Hello guys, I Shreya Katyal welcome you all to today's talk. We are at Marva Studios and here we have the second Global Fashion Week going on. And I am at an exhibition, a beautiful creative exhibition put by the students of School of Fashion. So let's see this photography exhibition and hear them out about their concepts and what they try to portray through their lenses. So here at Marva Studios at the second Global Fashion Week, we have a very beautiful photography exhibition and now I would like to hear it from the photographer herself. Hi, so what's your name?
My name's Ashna.
Hi Ashna, so I want to know about your concept and what are you depicting basically through your lenses?
My concept is about the construction workers who work at construction sites and the conditions they live in. So I've covered the areas where they live in teen shades and what kind of food they eat and what all they use for as their beds and their equipments. So that's all I have covered.
So just tell me how was the experience going and taking these shots?
It was a bit hard because they get offended if you click pictures and you have to really request them. So if you can please click your pictures, and then some of them agree and some of them don't. So
Is there any memory you want to share, like while clicking something which hit you, some good or something bad?
yeah, some of them were really happy and they were like, when I was clicking, they were coming in front of the camera again and the smile on their faces was very like, they were like, you are gonna post these pictures somewhere. I'm like, yeah, we're gonna do a big exhibition and we're gonna post these pictures there. So they were very happy about it.
I want to know that what you have shown through your camera, like what is your concept today?
Basically, my theme is Orphan Children Home. It depicts the loneliness, the children who are homeless and are left alone. So these orphanages, they give them place, shelter to live, food to have, and they basically take care of them. They show their concern, and my purpose to show this theme was that these orphanages, the children who are in these orphanages, they don't want money only. They want your care, your concern, your love. So I want people to through these photos they should feel the loneliness of these kind of children, and they should visit them often and to make their life more and more happier, because these children, for them, our one visit matters a lot.
That's really enlightening indeed. So you are a student of fashion, School of Fashion?
I am a student of fashion communication.
Okay, so how did photography come into your mind, like fashion and photography?
Yeah, basically it was there in our course only. So my focus was not on photography anyway, but when I started doing this theme, I got so much interested in it, and I really liked it and really wanted to enlighten people about these children.
That's amazing that you discovered one more skill in you and you're doing pretty well. I can see a good photographer in you as well. So please share your concept with me.
Actually, I have worked on a stray dogs that foster a dog save a life. It means you have to give a shelter to the dogs and save them. As you can see that there are so many dogs who get left alone. That's a dog she fell from second floor. He is the person, Mr. Yash Raj. He is helping 200 dogs. He is having many dogs in his shelter. She is a lady from Germany. She had 70 to 80 dogs, and she is the lady who is working in an high court as an advocate, and she used to spend most of her times with the dogs.
Okay, so tell me, how was the experience clicking these pictures of the dogs and why did you choose this topic?
Actually, I love to spend some time with dogs as they are good, friendly. I've chosen this because I'm a pet lover and I want to describe the life of the dogs as everybody is having the pet dogs. Nobody is thinking about the stray dogs. That's why I've chosen about this project.
That's amazing. So any kind of memory you have while clicking, कुछ good या bad सी कोई यादें जो आप इन photography shoot के साथ जुड़ी हों?
When I was shooting this project, this lady, 5 dogs actually attack on me. Yeah, I just get scared at that time, but she told me to stay calm. That's amazing time.
I think that's their way to get acquainted with you and feel safer. They just like want to come close to you because dogs are beautiful animals, we all know.
But sometimes we get scared. That's the thing.
Exactly. So this is very beautiful and very creative. Keep on doing your creative work. All the very best. आपने क्या बनाया है, क्या दिखाया अपने कैमरा के थ्रू, अपने लेंस के थ्रू?
मैंने इसमें पीजी में रहने वाले लोगों की लाइफस्टाइल को दिखाया, मतलब क्या प्रॉब्लम्स फेस करते हैं, कैसे वो रहते हैं, क्या चीज़ें मिस करते हैं, वही मैंने अपनी फ़ोटोज़ के थ्रू दिखाया है।
वो फोटोज़ के थ्रू तो आपने दिखा दिया, अब हमें बता भी दीजिए कि क्या प्रॉब्लम्स वो फेस करते हैं, क्या चीज़ें वो फेस करते हैं और कैसा एक्सपीरियंस रहा?
उनको अपने कपड़े वगैरह खुद से मैनेज करने पड़ते हैं। आप देख सकते हो वार्डरोब उनका कितना डिसऑर्गेनाइज्ड है, ठीक है। आप रूम देख सकते हो कि कपड़े कहाँ सुखा रहे हैं, अंदर सुखा रहे हैं कपड़े, और हमेशा उनका बैग हमेशा पैक रहता है घर जाने के लिए। कपड़े भी खुद से प्रेस करने पड़ते हैं, और देखिए कितने कपड़े धोने ही पड़ते हैं एकदम कपड़ों के पाइल्स को। और जब काफ़ी ज़्यादा डिप्रेस हो जाते हैं तब देन दे गो फॉर दिस हुक्का एंड ऑल।
Okay, that is a very bad option, I must say. Don't resort to such options. Okay, well, just tell me कि ये टॉपिक क्यों आया दिमाग में?
ये टॉपिक मतलब मैं खुद भी 3 साल अपने मतलब घर से दूर रहा था जब मैं ग्रेजुएशन कर रहा था जयपुर में। तब मैंने सोचा दैट आई शुड डिपिक्ट दिस लाइफस्टाइल। और मेरे बहुत सारे फ्रेंड्स ऐसे रहते बोलते रहते थे कि यार हम क्या प्रॉब्लम फेस कर रहे हैं, हम कितने परेशान हैं, तुम तो घर पे रहते हो, तुम तो काफ़ी मज़े में रहते हो। तो मैंने सोचा चलो उन्हीं को दिखा देते हैं।
ओके, सो अपनी अंदर की रियल लाइफ एक्सपीरियंस को, अपनी भावनाओं को एक्सप्रेस आपने ऐसे किया। बहुत अच्छी अपॉर्चुनिटी आपने चैनलाइज कर ली एकदम से, एंड बहुत अच्छे क्लिक्स भी हैं आपके। ऑल द वेरी बेस्ट। व्हाट हैव यू शोन थ्रू योर कैमरा?
Like people जो पार्क में जाते हैं and they don't have the opportunity to go to the gyms and they don't have that much time, so they go to parks and exercise with these open gym things, and that's it.
Okay. So why did you choose this topic? Anything in mind? Anything particular?
Yeah, I used to go to parks regularly, so I saw them exercising through open gyms, so I got this idea of depicting them how they perform, like that's it.
Okay, since you have chosen the topic of exercise, right? So just tell me, as a person, how important is fitness and exercise for you?
It's very important to live a healthy living, and
So how do you maintain yourself? Anything particular?
not that much. I just eat, exercise, that's it.
That's a very valid point. Eat right, live right, and exercise. So life will be right. आपने क्या दिखाया है?
मैंने स्ट्रीट वेंडर्स के बारे में दिखाया है कि वो लोग जो सड़कों पे बेचते हैं सामान छाड़ा, इतने धूप, इतने पॉल्यूशन, अपने डेली नीड्स के लिए, अपनी रोज़ी रोटी के लिए, अपने बच्चों के लिए, तो वो सारा जितना मेहनत करते हैं, तो मैं उन्हें दिखाना चाह रहा था कि वो वेस्ट नहीं है। मैंने बहुत ऑब्जर्व किया था कि वो लोग हर एक कार के शीशे पे नॉक करते हैं। दे सी, मतलब एवरी टाइम दे सी अराउंड एंड दे नॉक एंड दे समटाइम दे गेट इग्नोर्स। कुछ लोग गालियाँ देते थे, तो मैं उनके लाइफ में डिपिक्ट करा था अपने पिक्स में।
बहुत ही अच्छा टॉपिक आपने चूज़ किया है, क्योंकि सेलिब्रिटीज़ को तो सब लोग दिखाते हैं, मगर असली जर्नलिस्ट या असली मैं कहूँगी कि जो भी मतलब क्रिएटिव बंदा है ना, वो इन लोगों को सेलिब्रिटीज़ बनाता है। सो ही इज़ द मैन फॉर टुडे। ओके, तो आप मुझे एक चीज़ बताइए कि ये सारे कैंडिड शॉट्स हैं या फिर इनसे पोज करवाया था?
सम इट इज़ कैंडिड एंड सम मैंने बोल के लिया था। हाँ, मैंने कुछ बोल के लिया था, इनसे बात किया था कि अंकल हमें ये करना है, तो उन्होंने कुछ मना कर दिया। कुछ तो गालियाँ भी दे रहे थे, बट करना पड़ता है। तो मैंने इन लोगों को बताया कि आप लोग जो कर रहे हो बहुत अच्छा कर रहे हो, तो हमने इनसे बात किया, तो फिर ये मान गए। और कुछ कैंडिड शॉट्स भी है, कुछ बोल के भी लिया गया, तो ऐसे 5.5 शॉट्स हैं।
आई एम श्योर कुछ ऐसे भी मिले होंगे जिनको सेलिब्रिटी जैसा लग रहा होगा कि ओ माय गॉड मेरा फोटो शूट हो रहा है। Very nice topic. This was all about beautiful pictures, beautiful frames, and of course, beautiful concepts through lovely people. That's all for today in today's talk. But I, Shreya Katyal, will be back with another very interesting event for you. Till then, you keep watching MS TV, हर पल आपके साथ।